Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. Today, we're taking a look at this gorgeous 2015 Porsche Cayenne S. In this video, we're going to go over its complete condition, that being the exterior, interior, even the engine compartment and cargo compartments. This Cayenne is very impressive. It is low mileage with only 49,000 miles, also only 2 previous owners. All service is up to date, and it has over $8,000 in desirable factory options. This vehicle is for sale at the date of the video posting here at AlphaCars. You can view all the specifics like remaining tire and brake life and the vehicle free Carfax report, including its history, on our website, alphacars.com. There'll be a link to that in this video and in the description. We also offer transportation. So even if you are not local to us here in New England, give us a call, 978-263-9000. We can make the buying process very easy and enjoyable. And in the end, you'll have a very nice Cayenne S dropped off right to your driveway. But now, let's take a look at the condition of this Porsche. Let's start with the exterior of the Cayenne. I do want to point out, I'm filming this in our showroom because outside it's about 3 degrees out. I believe it's in the negatives with the wind chill. So I am doing this in the showroom, and that leaves the lighting a little less than desired, but we're going to make do and show you this beautiful Porsche. This vehicle, we did perform a paint correction, which is a multi-stage polishing, and then applied a ceramic coating to protect it. That's why it has this ultra glossy appearance. And now I'm going to walk around the vehicle and just make some notes on the condition. The front bumper is in excellent shape. I don't see any sort of notable rock chips or things of that nature. You can tell it was used on the highway, a little bit here and there just on the front nose, but with only 49,000 miles, it's been really lightly used. Now going down the driver's side of the vehicle, look at that shine and that reflection. If there are any dings, dents, or scratches, we will see that with the light would reflect differently off the panel. And even, I love all the black trim on this Cayenne. I prefer the gloss black trim over the chrome, and that, I believe, is one of the tasteful factory options this car has. It is, I just read it, side window trim and high gloss black. So now going down the passenger side of the vehicle, looking at all the reflections from the cool things in our showroom here. Now at the back of the vehicle, we've got the sporty quad exhaust pipes. This is the Cayenne S, so it is the V6 twin turbo, 420 horsepower. It is a blast to drive. These Cayennes, especially of this generation, in my opinion, they really drive like a sports car, just looking like, in the SUV clothing. They really do it all, but don't take my word for it. Definitely try one of these out, or try ours out if you are interested in buying it. Now looking at the rear, the tailgate condition, everything appears very nice. And now I want to disclose one thing. The whole vehicle, it is factory paint, but there is one little section just on the bottom of the rear tailgate here. So this upper section is all factory original, and then the paint meter picked up a little bit thicker of a reading just on the sort of bottom edge of the tailgate here. So at some point there was like a minor cosmetic refinish, but the texture is very nice. It's very, very hard to tell unless you have a real trained eye or have the proper tool like the paint thickness meter. So our full disclosure, we do want to say that. Everywhere else in the car, it does appear to be factory paint, and the paint meter backs that up. You can view all those readings on the listing on alphacars.com. But with the polishing we did and then the ceramic coating, you would really never know. It all appears factory. It looks awesome. Let's check out the wheels now. They have some really nice Pirelli tires on them. And as we take a look at the wheels, we'll see there are no heavy damage or damage at all, really. No curb rash or staining. There's the slightest little cosmetic just nick right there that honestly could have been even from like a tire machine years ago. And now as I get an angle on this passenger rear wheel. I don't see any damage on this one. They all appear really nice. Same thing with all of the plastic trims on the Cayenne. It all really appears almost as a new vehicle. It looks excellent. But now let's start to explore the interior. We've got the automatic lifting tailgate there. I will grab a little light that I have and we'll shine that in here. We can see all the carpet, the material's in great shape and not stained or anything. We do have all the factory Porsche floor mats here, and I will show you these. You can see there, even the driver's one here, it has little to no wear. Almost looks like it wasn't driven on. We do have the factory booklets and owner's manual right here, just tucked in this cubby. And once again, tons of storage space. The seats also fold down, of course. And if you lift this up, we've got the spare. It is the inflatable one, but it does have the electric pump just there. And I would take one of these all day over just the goo, the tire goo and compressor. That's actually in my Porsche. It doesn't even have a spare tire. So that's a welcome thing to see in the Cayenne here. Now as we shut it, it's one touch operation. And I do apologize for the lighting. Like I said, the little bit of glare coming through the windows. We're just working with what we got. Now looking into the rear of the vehicle, I'll kind of use this massive shop light to my advantage. And yeah, checking out the rear seating area. It all looks really nice. We've got the vents in the back there, a little storage cubby. All the carpets really look as new. They've got the protective plastic there. And we've got our door card right here. And a thing to check on the Cayenne, certain Cayennes, the door material, sometimes it can get a little loose up here. It can be a rare thing, but it's always something to check. But this is nice and tight, and I see no signs of it lifting or anything like that. And I do mention things like that because we do specialize in these vehicles. As we can see, this Cayman R right here, 987.2 generation. That vehicle is for sale at the date of this video as well. But by the time you view this video, it might not be. We have a lot of interest in that car as it's very rare with very low mileage. But now looking into the other side of the rear seating area, it all appears very nice. And same thing with the door card, just some limited room right there, so I apologize for the angles. I do have the key in my pocket, and it did just unlock the vehicle, or that door when I grabbed the handle. So that is a part of the, I believe, entry and drive package. This vehicle also has the premium package, but all of that you can view on the online listing and really read all the nitty-gritty about that. Super comfortable seats. I believe these are the 14-way adjustable seats here. They are heated and ventilated. And when you first look at this vehicle, you step into the interior, it's almost like getting in a 2015 Cayenne that's still new. It's pretty wild, honestly. So let's open up the glove box here. And this car does have the original window sticker with it. There is a nice picture of this on the online listing if you want to take a look at that. But now just getting one last peek in here. I'm trying to get the light in here as best as I can. All the buttons, everything, even that sort of gloss piano black style trim, it's all just in impeccable condition. Even look at the door jamb down here. It's all really, really nice. And if you see any sort of dust or things like that, this vehicle, we've had a lot of interest in it already. I'm making this video a little bit after we posted it online, and it did go on a test drive or two in the dry weather. So that's why you'll see a little bit of things like in the driver's side right here, just from the shoes. But looking at the driver's door card here, It's all looking very nice. All the buttons, there's no missing trims or anything like that. And then of course we've got the starter key blade here, so you don't have to take the key out of your pocket with the entry and drive. Beautiful steering wheel with the paddle shifters, and I don't see any abnormal wear or damage there. Looking at the dashboard condition, once again, I really do apologize for the glare. But overall, I think we're being able to appreciate the condition of the Cayenne, and we can see there 49,000 miles. And now taking a look at, rounding it out, we'll just take a look at the driver's seat condition. The bolsters here, everything is in really nice shape. You can tell whoever had the vehicle, they got in and out of it properly. They didn't like crush the bolster. There's a little bit of lines, like a line or two, just from it being kind of like exercised, but certainly it could be a lot worse. And I would call that pretty much normal for, you know, a leather seat with the bolstering with this amount of mileage, but it's not actually damaged or anything. It just has been kind of exercised from someone being in it. And looking at the panoramic sunroof, headliner's in great condition as well. And I believe that is, oh, I forgot. Let's look at the engine compartment. And then that will be the last thing I have to show you on this Cayenne. 3.6 V6 in here, twin turbo. This Cayenne is a blast to drive and also has reasonable upkeep, reasonable maintenance costs as well. Really a tried and true Porsche engine. And yeah, very clean, no seeps or leaks, at least on the top side here. We did do the full comprehensive inspection and would have reported or fixed anything else we found, but it's got 49,000 miles, and you drive this and you think you're driving a new vehicle. It's really quite impressive. But that's all I have for you in this video. If you are interested in this Cayenne, give us a call, 978-263-9000. We can arrange the transportation for you, so remember that. And if you have any additional questions, reach out to us, send us an email, sales@alphacars.com. And once again, thank you for watching. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough showroom. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.